What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another Unlocking Your Homes live session where we are here live in the beautiful town of Union. Right behind me is a stunning Cape Cod. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath home. It's located at 1141 Falls Terrace. I co-listed this amazing house with Albert Torres, and we are both with NESTSEEKERS International. And I cannot wait to show you this house. This home is actually located within close distance to Union Downtown Center, which is actually full of shops, supermarkets, coffee shops, and so much more. You do not want to miss this home. It is also a commuter's dream with easy accessibility to New York City with both the bus and a train which goes directly to Midtown. So come and check out this amazing home. You do not want to miss out on this. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the tour. Welcome home. Here we have my favorite part of the house. The backyard is absolutely incredible and literally the perfect place for entertaining guests. Well guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Filming here at 1141 Falls Terrace has been an incredible experience. Union is actually one of my favorite towns to live in the entire state of New Jersey, and also one of the most desirable towns in the entire state as well. With that being said, if you like this video and want to see more videos just like this, hit the subscribe button and it will help me a lot if you shatter that like button. Hope you all have a wonderful day and thank you so much for tuning in. See you all soon.